Hi.
I love your hair.
Thank you.
Which kind of hair is this one?
This is natural twist, darling.
How do you maintain it?
I maintain it using this mousse from Vera Beauty Fashion College, the Nubian product. I apply it every morning. After that, I apply the holding spray. That is the holding spray from Nubian, Vera Beauty Fashion.
Okay.
They also have other products.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
Like for my this one, how can I maintain it?
Or that one for maintaining the curls, especially at the end, we have our curl activator gel, which you just apply it on the end to avoid the detangling. And then you can also apply our hair food, which is the lavender product.
Oh, on the scalp?
Yeah,
Between
on the scalp.
cornrows.
Yeah.
Okay, and what about when, let's say, I have undone my hair? How can I maintain my natural hair? How do I wash it? The products to use?
Nice. Nice. So when you've undone your hair, this is what we use. We use this kind of a shampoo, the apple shampoo from their products again. It is a very good shampoo. It helps your hair to be moisturized. It helps your hair to be detangled, and then it keeps it shiny. Okay. Yeah. After that, you can use our shampoo too, which helps the hair with the same, making the hair look so natural and pretty. Yes.
Okay, and for ones with dreadlocks.
Yes.
Okay, for ones with dreadlocks, how do they maintain them?
Good. Vera has given us many products, and everyone it is working for our advantage. We use this molding gel, which is so nice and keeps your locks neat, and you don't feel itchy.
Okay, can I use it to make my edges?
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, nice. Okay, I love your products. They're
Bye.
very nice. I can see they even have instructions.
Yes.
Okay, asking for myself and 1,000 others, where can I get your product from, or we get your products from?
Our products are delivered countrywide, and for physical buying, can get them at Thika Business Center, Naivas Building, 6th floor.
Okay, I want a package for the one that I'm going to treat my hair with, maintain the curls and the scalp. My scalp is itchy. Which ones will you give me? Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm so happy. A happy client. Bye.